fourth runner-up is candidate from Pateros, RC Simon.
Thank you very much. Congratulations, Pateros. Miss Pateros is now being awarded by Kagawad Richie Candas, Kagawad Robin Joy Cantos, Flo, Judge Attorney John Guerrero, and Judge Mark Panganiban. She is now receiving a 20,000 peso cash, a bouquet, a sash, and a trophy, and of course, a crown.
Pag YouTube.
Our third runner-up, and she will be awarded by Walter Simbulan, Kagawad Alfie Boyings Regino, Kagawad Raf Apanay, Judge Mark Panganiban, Dr. TJ Ordonez,
And of course, our Beksyo ng Manila third runner-up last 2024, Karen Montesilio.
She will receive a bouquet, a sash, a trophy, a crown, and 40,000 pesos.
Wow! Our third runner-up for the Beksyo ng Maynila 2026 goes to Kasi Pakulan from Quezon City.
Paano yan?
Pandesal.
Our second runner-up were able to get a total score of 93.86%. Dikit lang kay third. At siya ay si
Our second runner-up for the Beksyo ng Maynila 2026 candidate number 1, bigay ba yung Bautista from Bulacan?
Ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up is being awarded by Kagawad Marvin Asino, SK Kirk Daniel Davillo, Anthony Abad, Judge Attorney Richmond Ong, and Judge Boca. She is now receiving a bouquet of flowers, a sash, a trophy, a crown, and a 60,000 peso cash. Alright, ladies, step forward, please. Ladies, eto na. We will announce our title holder or the Queen of Beksyo ng Maynila, and then later on, bigyan natin siya ng chance na i-crown. For the meantime, eto na. With a total score of 95.94%, Queen of Beksyo ng Maynila 2026 is... Meaning to say, our first runner-up is Yemla Vitoria with a score of 94.61%, being awarded by Chairman Bernie Galay, Chairman Marie Almario, Karen Montesilio, Judge Gilly Valenzuela, Judge Boca. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you Queen of Bexis ng Maynila 20